You're still there. Hey, how's it going? Are we back? Oh. Let's see here. All right. We're having all sorts of challenges today, aren't we? Having some internet. Hey, all right. Hey, Dylan there. Good to see you. All right. Hello once again. Hello. All right. Good. We're back now. All right. Let's see here, you guys. See all sorts of fun challenges. As per usual. Not really, though. Bro, you got to pay your bills in time. I know. I pay the bills. I pay all the bills. Everything looks fine. I'm looking over at the router on the phone. Hey, Gokul. Good to see you again. All right. Let's see if we can keep things going. Once again, hi, bro. No. What's the deal? What is the deal today? Maybe today's just going to be that kind of day. I don't know. A lot of blips in and out. I'm just looking around to see if everything looks right. Anyway. POV Steven, after a blip, I'll be back. Okay, sounds good. Sounds good. All right, good. Okay, things look like they're clicking back into the base. I know. I know. Right? I know. I do. I pay the bills. Are we stable now? I don't know. We're going to find out. We're going to keep trying our best is what we're going to do. We're going to keep trying. Leak code win. All right, Christique. Well, at some point we're going to do it. I want to finish the Pytorch, though, is what I want to do. I want to finish the Pytorch. So let's see if we can do that. Let's see if we can get that done. Some blips in there. All right. Let's see if we're back online here. Anything good? Okay. Is this going to work? I don't know. Are we going to have stable internet right now? I think there was just a short little blip, a double blip there. I'm not exactly sure what the deal was. Hey, we're doing good now. Let's just get going with some Pytorch. Let's get going. All right, so I'm very curious about the stacked versus the concatenate. Let's try that first and second. So let's do a stacked. Stacked equals torch.stack, and we say first, comma, second. Do we do it like that? Let me double check. That is going to be in an array. Okay, so it needs to be in an array. There we go. Hey, I had an idea. Why don't we have a community coding project? Ooh, Ice for Gaming. That sounds like a lot of fun. That does sound like a lot of fun. Inside this mind, hey, let's start energy storage company, right? I know, make sure this stuff is stable. Starting an energy storage company. Like most voted community idea, and then everyone work on that project. That could be fun. That could be pretty good. I like that. Hey, Waleed, good to see you. Like TRC. What is TRC? What is TRC? Good. I'm actually kind of curious about that. All right, so is there anything else we do? Or dimension equals 0. All right, let's try this. Dim equals 0. There we go. And let's print this out. Print stacked. You know what? I'm actually kind of curious to see, are we on battery backup right now, or are we on the grid? Let me check. I'm going to check right now. I'm super curious about this. All right, what are we doing? To ensure receive notifications unrestricted, confirmed. Okay. See here. All right. We are getting power. Emergency backup. Yeah, I see it. Okay. The chat app. Oh, hey, come on. It's terminal relay. Oh, right. I forgot about TRC. Hey, what class is this about? Hey, Waleed, we are doing Pytorch today. We're doing matrix or tensor manipulation functions. That's what we're doing today. The chat app. I forgot about that comment. I forgot that we called it terminal relay chat. I forgot TRC. Good point. Gokul. Let's see. Okay, sounds... Yeah, actually, this would be pretty neat. Eyes for Gaming, I think it sounds pretty neat. Bro, you seen Ben 10, or are you still too... I'm pretty old. I don't know. I'm pretty old. I know you're talking about the cartoon on... Was it Cartoon Network? Right, on Cartoon Network. Hey, Carta, good to see you. Fun stuff. All right, so let's keep going. I'm actually kind of curious about this. So let's do this. I like F strings because it makes it neat looking. And you can say equaled, stacked, equals. There we go. Print it like that. Make it all pretty. Let's open up this window here. And then we say Python. And then we change the song because we're not going to listen to that. We're not going to listen to that one. All right. Python. What is this called? What's the file? That is called stacked. Okay, it's called stacked. Stacked. Okay. Oh, we got a syntax error. We can fix that. Little syntax error there. Now in the C, the TRC stands for controller. Ooh, you're changing it up. All right, I like it. The song's fire though, is it? No. It's music that's free from YouTube. It's free YouTube music. This is Cartoon Hoedown. We're doing Cartoon Hoedown right now. Free music from YouTube. All right. It's good to have you guys here. I hope everything's I'm hoping everything's stable now. I'm traumatized. I'm traumatized. All right, let's see this here. All right, let's see if this looks like. What does it stacked look like? It looks like an error. It looks like an error. That's what it looks like. Stacked first, second. Do we say stack or stack? No, we say stack. Torch.stack. All right, let's copy and paste this and see what we did wrong. What did we do wrong, you guys? What did we do wrong? Okay. We did nothing wrong, right? It looks the same. It looks exactly the same. What is the deal? Plan on music sent in the link share tagged you. We play music. Is it Creative Commons? Is it Creative Commons? My wife is now having issues today. Is it too? I know, we're having weird issues today. I don't know why. It's been fine for a year, and now all of a sudden we have little blips and blops. Little blips and bloops. Glad to have you guys here. Can you say just a theory, film theory? We did. Hey, Chevy kid, good to see you. Welcome on in. Print F stacked equals. Oh, do we do it wrong? Is this the part right here that's wrong? Stacked. That looks fine to me. Let's see. First tensor requires. Wait, I spelled this wrong. I spelled this part wrong. There you go. I think that was the problem. Hey, there we go. All right, just a little bit of misspelling because we're typing everything by hand, you guys. Now you know we're really coding. We're not cheating. Sure, take away this guy's job. I know, right? Yes, it's closed caption from YouTube library. Yes, CC from YouTube library. All right. On Discord, you said? Where'd you put it? In link share? Okay. Audio library. YouTube audio library. Ooh, what is this? I'm going to click on that. Hold on a second. Nice. Okay. Is this going to be a playlist? Is this a playlist? What does this look like here? If I play this, where will it go? Where does it go afterward? If it keeps going? Does it go to another video? So that's just one song. If there's a playlist, though. All right, there we go. All right, we're playing the one song. We're playing the one song like you asked. It is just one song. We'll play. We'll go back to the other list though here. Good to have you guys here. Mac user. Yep, we're Mac user. You got it. We are Mac user. Let's see. We're gonna click the button here. Over here. Drop that down a bit. Okay. Mac user over here. It's not a playlist. Yeah, you got it. It's a great day for me. All right, that's great. I'm having a good day. I feel really good, even though the power blips. Today is just not your day, guys. Hey, it's my day. I'm having fun. What's the .py extension? What do you mean? It's .py. It's Python. It's Python, right? Python, right? So .py is equal to Python. There you go. I don't know if you can see it on the screen. It's equal to Python. We're doing Python. We're doing Pytorch today. Half I expected Rickroll. I know, a little bit, right? It was just a little bit, maybe a little bit of Rickroll there. Good to have you guys here. Windows is trash. Mac and Linux are the best. They're all operating systems. Yeah, right. They have some vulnerabilities. We all gotta be careful. Every operating system, you pick your favorite one. Pick your favorite operating system. Hello, how's it going there? Peace. Good to see you. Hi. Why don't you write all this in IPy? Because I like using Vim. I like using Vim. It's right. If we're talking about using the tools that make us happy, then Vim is my tool of choice, right? So I like Vim right here. Little bit of Vim on my terminal window there for you. Song name, sir? I don't know. What is this? This song is Mission to Mars. This is a Mission to Mars song. Right there. Mission to Mars. That's what we're listening to. That was from RUX 10,000. Sup? Hey, how's it going then? Far less than a few. Good to see you. Neroop. Okay, how's it going? Just migrated everything to Linux. Hey, there you go. We're doing it the right way. Jumping over to Linux. Fancy. That's good. Good to have you. I started my Arch a few weeks ago, and I can say I use Arch, by the way. Now you can say, Sunbox, that you're an Arch Linux user. You figured just how to ask. Nice. See, I want to build an AI model that can fulfill the need of a human with super intelligence and supportive for improving myself. Can you give a roadmap for that? Hey, Neurop, try downloading a model that you can run locally and see where you can go from there. Try Olama, right? Olama, you're probably already familiar with this. And look for some of the models here. Look for some of the models. Click on models. Lots of models available. It will run on your computer. It'll run on your local computer. All right. That was a good song, RUX 10,000. Thank you. Pop this back over here to regular YouTube library. Okay. Good to have you guys here. Thank you for joining in. There is filtering, is it? Thank you for teaching live coding. Yeah, you're awesome. Hey, Sergio, thank you. Welcome on in. Good to have you here. Sergio is a member on the channel. Thank you so much for mentioning it. Your Windows 11 mumbo jumbo isn't working too well at the moment. Oh no. Oh no, not again. I know, right? We're at it. We're at it. We're going. How's it going there? In some Sumas? Hey, Im Sumasek. Welcome on in. Good to see you. Hey, how's it going? All right, let's get going here. Let's see if we can get more going. You love how the subtitles are working, isn't that cool? And right, these subtitles right here. They're right here, you guys. Live subtitles. They're called open captions. Open captions because I have them on my stream and you can't control them. Any advice for security in the AI space for enterprises? Start off with Kali Linux. So check it out. Go see Kali Linux. Here we go. Spell it properly. Is it Kali Linux? This is a good start. It's basically like all other Linux distros. It just has pre-built in tools for doing extra protections and extras things like shutting down and then machine isn't powering off. Uh-oh, really? You have to unplug it and plug it back in. That's all you have to do. It's a good CC, a free song in a Discord share. Okay. Is it here? You said playlist? All right, perfect. Nice. All right, so we're playing this. All right, nice. We'll try it. We'll try it out. Let's try it right now. Play all. Hey, very nice. YouTube audio library. Thank you. I'm going to pin this one. Hey, look at that. There's a whole bunch of them in here. Oh, sorry. You can't see that. I'm scrolling through. This is great. Hey, thank you. Yeah, that's exactly what I was looking for. This makes things good. I appreciate it. Thank you so much. Okay. All right. Torva, thank you. All right, let's pop back over here into our terminal window. Okay, we're getting things up and running, you guys. So good to have you here. I'm really happy that our power disruptions didn't pause the stream for too long. Let's see here. I'm trying to catch back up with the chat messages, you guys. Catch back up on the chat message here. Zoom in on this real quick. You'll send a good song. I can train the model that downloaded from the Olama. Yes, you can. Yes, you can. I need advice on landing a job right now. It's been hell. Just keep trying. It's a numbers game. Keep trying. Keep trying. Don't give up. Don't give up. Keep trying. I'm familiar with all the Kali, many for SQL injection. I'll give a look. Thanks. All right. Sounds good. Sunim. It's Sunim. I'm willing to make a career in AI safety, and I'm currently willing to learn machine learning in Rust. Whoa, hey, now you're on the right track. Even machine learning in Rust? Are you serious? Is that a choice? I should give yourself less pain by going with Python. Yeah, Python is the industry standard. At least get started with Python and Pytorch and things like that. Try those things. And then if you're really into it, 150, bro, 150 what? how can I join your Discord? All right. There is a Discord link. Yes, there is. There is. Here we go. All right. Let me paste that in for you. 1 second. Let me grab that link for you. It is over here. Or grabbing the link. Bro, 150 videos. Oh, it's 150. Yeah, it's a lot. It's a lot. That's the music that we're listening to. All right, you guys. Let me paste this here for you. So I'll go over here and I'll copy this button here. All right. There you go. That is for Pram and for... Who else asked for it? It was Pram and at Kartik. All right. There you guys go. There you go. That's the Discord. There you go. Up there. Discord. Good to have you guys here. All right. Let's get back into more Pytorch, you guys. Let's do some more Pytorch. Let's get back this over here. You have a question you want to sit alone and code for a long time, preferably learning Pytorch. What kind of motivation I need? Well, get a project. Go to Kaggle. Here's your motivation. Are you ready for the motivation? Kaggle.com/datasets. Find something that looks interesting to you. See, look, Netflix movies, databases, biology, you've got social sciences, automobiles, investing, markets, finance, social networks. Look at that. Look at all this data. And you can grab that data and then do something interesting with AI with it. There's your motivation. I got you. Your motivation. Do you attend deep learning conferences at all? I don't. I have not. I've only done everything. I've learned everything. Autodactism. It's called autodactism. You got to learn it yourself. You saved it? We'll join later? Nice. Sounds good. Maybe use Python binaries for Rust. Not sure if someone build for JavaScript. There is a similar package for C++ binaries. Yes. So there are Pytorch, libtorch libraries that you can import into any language. Libtorch is called libtorch. The same as Pytorch. It's written in C++ and it's portable into things like JavaScript and Python and Rust and wherever you want it to go. And you're good to go. If I missed any of your chat messages, you guys, please feel free to retype them in. Kaggle competition is a beast. It is. It's a good one. You got it. Best to start. Hey, you know it, Shoshana. Hey, Shoshana, you got a good recommendation. Do the Kaggle best bet to start the competitions. Internet is free, open learning, and self-learning is great. Wise man. Yeah, there you guys go. There you go. All right, so let's keep on going here. Let's see, close this one. Go back over here. Let's do concatenate. All right, so when we did a stack, what we see here is it looks like it didn't merge the inner array. So what if we change the dimension? I'm curious. Let's do dimension 1. What does that look like? How's that different? Look at that. You see that? It changed it up. How's it going there, Francois? Hey, Francois, good to see you. Welcome on in. Honestly, you want to build something you've never, but whatever idea you get, don't have a data set for, and not even in Kaggle or other places. Ooh. Well, Ice for Gaming, I'm kind of curious about that. Let us know more. Is it possible to build a whole game with nodes without any coding? It is. You absolutely can. Why not? Self-learning is great. You got it. Yeah, it is. Self-learning is amazing. All right, guys, let's keep going. What can we do dimension 2? Or is that going to give us an error? Yeah, there's only 2 dimensions. You can't go anymore. So let's say we dimension 1. Right, so we did dimension 1 and 0. All right. So we'll do this twice. Watch this. So we'll go dimension 1 and 2. So we can see what the difference looks like. There you go. Check this out. All right, you see, when we change here, actually, we'll make it look better like this. So look at this. All right. So you can see how it's stacked. You see 1, 2, 3, 4, but 1, 3, 2, 4. Different, right? Different. Assembly is simpler than C++. In a way, just playing. You're right. In a way, it is. It is a little bit simpler. Any platforms you would recommend for learning in advanced AI? Unix-based platforms are really great because they help you with mostly terminal-based situations. However, you can learn AI and machine learning on any platform you want, any operating system. It works. Linux, though, has been pretty foundational and instrumental for AI and machine learning. So that's a pretty good one as well. That's also a good one. Subtitles and self-loathing. Hey, self-happying. How about that? Hey, Ola. Or Olo. See, Olo laid. Good to see ya. What are we building today? We're building Pytorch. We're doing matrix manipulations today. Simpler but not easier. Yeah, that is a good point, Neva. What is the coolest project with ML and deep learning? All right, so this is, check out computer vision. Something like YOLO Ultralytics. This is neat. Because it's called computer vision, you guys. Computer vision. Check it out, computer vision. This will... are there any pretty examples in here? Let me see here. YOLO 2026. What else we got here? It's essentially giving you the ability to look at things in pictures and do object identification and then do things based on that. So let's see here. Models. Let's see. YOLO. No, there's YOLO 20. Wait, hold on. Wait a second. YOLO 11 and YOLO 26. What happened there? Where did the jump come in? Why did it go straight to 26? Is it 2006? Is that what that is? Hey, Savon, good to see you. Welcome on in. This playlist is Beast Bro, is it? Nice. Playlist is making a mood of coding upper head boost. That's great to hear, RUX. Torva, thank you. Thank you. Yeah. Let's see. Machine learning in Python and Linux is using an NVIDIA GPU is the standard. All right, you got it, Neva. You're right. That's exactly right. Like all major labs do exactly that setup. Yeah, they do. We do that setup too. YOLO for movement and object recognition. Yeah, exactly, Savon. You got it. Maybe not using NVIDIA lately. Oh, true, right? You could use different accelerators. You don't have to use an NVIDIA. You can use NVIDIA though if you want. If you guys want. Was there a previous stream today? Yeah, there was 2. We had interruption. The power went out. And I had a backup power, which kicked in, but it kicked in too late. And then we have our Wi-Fi flickered. So, how are you? How are you? We're doing good. We're doing good. Thank you for asking. Good job. Good job. So, yeah, Ultralytics. Check this out for computer vision. And it's really neat. It's really neat. Let's see if we can see some examples here. Let's see some examples. All right. So it's called YOLO Ultralytics. Look at the images. Here we go. This will be better. They've got... Here you go. Look at this. Here we go. Check this out. This is what you want to see right here. Zoom in on that. Let's zoom in on that. So you see here on the screen? See how it does all these object detections? Object, person, car, person, car, object. It's object detection. It's computer vision. See how it's got a stoplight right here? An object. I don't know where they're identifying those objects. It should say like backpack and other things. You can make it do whatever you want. Where are you from? I'm from Seattle, Washington, United States. Good to see you guys. Happy you're here. What is the stream about? The stream about AI. We're doing Pytorch, matrix manipulations. Neva, who's in the chat today, built this guide for us to walk through to see all the different matrix manipulation functions that you can do in Pytorch. And we're doing that right now. That's what we're doing right now. That's what we are sharing at the moment. You heard about ACE setup? I might have, although it's not, my mind does not tell me about it. Neva, yo, yeah, exactly. My work in CV, it's very fun, is it? All right, you guys, let's keep going. Let's see what else we got. All right, so I want to do the concatenated version next. What's the difference between concatenated and not concatenated? All right, so concat equals torch.concatenate. Did we say that right? Or no, it's just cat. Cat. Okay. I like that better. It's easier. First, comma, second. And then we will see what that looks like. Obviously, we need to say requires true. Okay. Equals, and then we say printf. We'll say concat. Perfect. Okay. What does that look like? Let's bring this over here. Concat. Okay. What's the difference? What's the difference? It completely doesn't work at all. I think we forgot something here. We need dimension. Dim equals 0. And I put that in the wrong spot. There we go. So we don't need that. Okay. That's why. Okay, perfect. All right, there we go. What's the difference? What's the difference, you guys? Oh, yay. Pytorch. Steven again. Yeah, let's go. Exactly. Gun Highs. Good to see you. Dr. Nudar, or Nudrat Universe. Hey, Dr. Nudrat user. YOLO is very powerful, isn't it? I think so, too. It's very great. It's very good. Deep in... How's it going there, Deep? We can't just vibe code it. Exactly. We got to code it with our hands. Code it with our hands, you guys. Some good ML projects that you can recommend. Cardic, my recommendation is from machine learning. Obviously, maybe computer vision. It's impressive. It's impressive. We humans, we see a lot. Our eyes drive a lot of our activities. So if you can do something in computer vision, even better. However, if you don't want to do that, you can also do something in standard data sets. A lot of standard data sets in here. So go to Kaggle and find those. There's also competitions. So they'll give you some ideas in here. Some competitions with Kaggle. A lot of good ideas, you guys. AI's coming for you. You know it. It's on its way. It's supposed to be 2028. Only 2 years to go, you guys. Only 2 years to go. Hey, what are you coding? Yo, boy, Miles. How's it going, Miles? Good to see it. We're doing Pytorch today. Have you guys seen the scrolling there, the Nerf Gaussian splat techniques? I've heard about it. It makes, right, you can take a standard image and make it fully 3D. Is that what that was? I think I heard about that. I heard about it. It was really neat. You think one person can even do anything in this field? AI, ML? Absolutely. Keep going. That's actually the power of AI and all the resources that you have. You have a lot of resources at your fingertips. A lot of resources, you guys. It's incredible. Oh, thank you for the subscription there, Code with Eric. Welcome on in. Good to have you here. Appreciate it. 2 years before the bubble pops. Yep, we got 2 years left, you guys. Strap in. Which routine have you followed to learn coding? Building projects, building apps, releasing them, getting users to adopt them, and you're good to go. What's the difference between matrix manipulation and using NumPy and Pytorch? They're all the same. Tensors, arrays, matrices, they're all the same. They're the same thing. There's no difference. Although a tensor technically can be a scalar variable, right? So a tensor can be like, 12, right? It could also be, an array like that. It could also be an array. So that's a tensor. It can be either. It's a tensor. It's flexible. However, it's mostly going to be arrays. Resources don't actually help with hardware. It's the issue. Is it? Wait. Natural language processing is not possible. A fun way for a smaller scale. It's like always want 100x more data to compute. It's a lot of compute. I know that. And a lot of data you need for NLP as well. A lot of data. So y'all are here. It's so good to have you guys here. Welcome on in. We are good to go. We're going to be doing some more Pytorch here in a sec. It's still not lagging on your phone. Oh, good to hear. Bro, you're shocked. Your download is 4.5G file. It says 1 minute download. Screen blinking, 4K video, crazy background. 2 screens are streamed, the highest settings. And it's all working perfectly fine. That's great to hear. Hey, NVIM. Yeah, we're using regular Vim. This is just standard Vim. Regular Vim, not NVIM. Not Neo Vim, just standard Chill Senpai. Hey, it's Chill Senpai, you guys. What's the first thing to learn when you're trying to learn to code? The basics. At least learn the basics. So we did this for you already this week and previous weeks. Read me. So here are some things. The literals, variables, flow controls, indentation loops, annotations, strings, arrays, slices, dictionaries and objects, keyword arguments, dunder methods, the magic method, right? Classes, inheritance, unary operators, and all the other operators, comparators, math logic, short circuits, bit shifting, right? Methods, map, there's so many things. Filter, reduce, closures, decorators, and some of this stuff is Python specific, right? It is. You use NeoVim? Nice, Chill Senpai. I use regular Vim. It's a lot of different things you can do. What do you say, Dagestan? Wait, what do you mean Dagestan? As far as tensors and vectors? All right, vectors, right? Any further in the dimensions? Hey, just playing. Let me reread that. As far as I know, a tensor is a vector that can have any number of dimensions. Yes, you got it. It sure can. It can be a lot of dimensions. If you want it to. I don't know why you'd want it to, but you can. Hey, Ram, how's it going? What are we doing? We're doing some Pytorch today. All right, let's go back over here. Let's close that out. All right, let's do, we did the cat there. Hey, Samuel, you, thank you for subscribing. Welcome on in. Good to have you here. How do I make my own NeoVim Lua config? Well, if you want, you just look at just go to Google. I don't use NeoVim. I use standard Vim. So I'm not familiar with making a Lua, but here's what I would do. I'd say Lua, NeoVim plugin tutorial. All right, that's what I do. How to develop. Creating NeoVim plugin with Lua involves setting up the correct directory structure and using NeoVim's built-in Lua API. The core idea is that any of the Lua files in the appropriate runtime directory act as part of the plugin without requiring a manifest or a registration step. So it's really easy to build your own plugin and just drop it right into the plugin directory like that, and it will get loaded. That's really powerful. And then see, you've got the Vim API right there. Set a cursor, say hello, and it's all in Lua. It's great. Oh, you meant plugin. Yeah, plugin. Yep, exactly, plugin. Always great to see your channel pop up. Really dig your content. User, thank you. Thanks for sharing knowledge. You guys, you got it. Vim and NeoVim are these two different. They are the same. The only difference is that NeoVim is a fork of Vim. It adds in Lua scripting onto it, and a whole ecosystem of Lua plugins that you can add into your stream, into your editor. So yeah, there's a lot of stuff you can do. I use regular Vim though. Hey chat, hey Steven, hey, how's it going? Hey Keller, good to see you. Welcome on in. Happy to have you guys here. So much fun today. We're going to be doing some Pytorch. The Vim API is too big. It is a pretty big API, right? Pytorch is a deep learning Python framework which can be accelerated with NVIDIA CUDA runtime and all the other backends too. It's not just exclusive to NVIDIA. You can use Google's TPUs. You can use your any other accelerator that's supported. And there's a lot of supported accelerators. All right, what backend supported Pytorch, right? Check this out. There's a lot. All right. So obviously you can do a CPU as well. You can do some CPU. Let's zoom in there. So CUDA, NVIDIA, like you said, MPS, which is Apple Silicon, GPU acceleration, XPU, AMD's GPUs, right? Vulkan, cross-platform GPU support, which includes Intel. You got Intel. Then you got a whole bunch of others in here. So many things. And it will work on Google's Tensors as well. I believe it does. I'm pretty sure. Best 13-inch laptop workhorse on the go. Wait, what is? I actually don't know. Probably a Mac. You can also just write your own IDE for fun if you wanted to, just playing. I know you totally could, couldn't you? How much math do you need for AI? You don't need that much, although it is helpful to have the foundation. See, as you can see here, we're not really doing a lot of math. A little bit, but not really. A little bit. It does help to know the underlying algorithms. So let's see. Oh, stacked.sum. I'm actually kind of curious. Let's see what that looks like. Let's say sum equals, s equals stacked.sum. What does that look like? Printf. Let's say s equals, and there we go. What does that look like? I'm curious. What does that look like? It's exactly what you think it's going to be. 4, 7, 8, 9, 10. It just adds up the numbers all into one, into a scalar value, Bro, you got your back. Gourd music sounds good. It's set up now. Only you have to go and playlist and to play it all. Hey, RUX1000, thank you. The playlists are the ways to go. Pytorch can be deployed to CPU also. That's right. Although slower, but still great nonetheless. You got it. You're having a blast in college. 55 years old. Old dog can learn new tricks. Yeah, you can. 55. You know what? You're on the right track. You've got many years ahead of you. So many years. Steven, is there a small difference between matrices and NumPy and Pytorch? There is. Yes. NumPy is pure CPU. So what? So NumPy equals only CPU. And then Pytorch equals accelerator support. That's spell accelerator, right? Is it accelerator or orator? No, it's accelerator. Orator. There you go. So which is like, GPU, TPU, that sort of thing. So yes, there is a difference. Are you a vibe coder? Yes. I also use the Claude codes. I do. I use the Claude code. Technically, Pytorch can run on CPU too. Yes, that's a good point. And CPU too. You got it. And CPU, like Torva said. Exactly like Torva said. There's another major difference. Pytorch gives you derivatives. Yeah. It is true. Pytorch gives you some extra derivatives that NumPy doesn't include. I believe, right? What is it called? Sigmoid. NumPy doesn't come with sigmoid, right? I remember that. All right, NumPy. Let's see. NumPy built-in sigmoid. I don't think it has one. I don't think it does. Or if it does, it's new. Yep, you got to do a special extension. See, it's not native. You got to import spicy. There's no native. You got to write it yourself. But how? And Pytorch comes with it. Oh, you're ready to go with Pytorch. So there you go. Neva, thank you. Yeah. No, you meant you can do tensor backwards. Yeah, automatic gradients as well. Got it. Automatic gradient. Automatic backwards to the derivative. Thank you for the hearts, you guys. That's a really good point. I've been thinking about that. All right. So we did stack stum. What was else on here? And NumPy don't have gradients or other stuff. Yes, exactly. No gradients, no backpropagation. You have to write all that yourself. Pytorch is specifically built for deep learning neural networks. Will C and C++ career be a dead? It's on its way out. However, deep injured. You know what? It still is very valuable because the entire internet powered mostly still on C. It is. It's most of the infrastructure still mostly powered on C. You got it. You got it. All right, you guys, you want to learn coding? What should be the minimum math required to learn coding? 0. You don't need math. You don't need math to learn coding. You don't. It's not something, most of the time, I don't write any math at all in code. It's all about logic, flow, and you're good to go, right? Logic, flow, you're good to go. Good to have you guys here. All right, for those of you here or new here, my name is Stephen Blum, CTO at PubNub. We raised 134 million, Series E, 1 billion devices on my network. 68 patent claims have been granted. 25 years in tech. This is my company right here. It's my business. We support multimedia entertainment, gaming, multiplayer gaming, right? Digital healthcare like telemedicine, e-commerce with the live auctions. You've heard of live auctions where you bid on something, the price ticks up slowly. Fintech where the prices change. All that stuff, you guys. Is Pytorch built on NumPy? No, it's not. Pytorch is built on C++, libtorch, which is its own library, its own separate library. Nginx is mostly C. Yeah, exactly, Savan. It's mostly C. You got it. You got it. Catching up with some of the chats, you guys. Have you ever heard of Maestro? I've not. I don't know. Tell us about this, Willie. Tell us more. Awesome channel, dude. Thank you. Saw your microservices work as well. Amazing and inspiring user. Thank you. Who are you, user? Who are you? You've got this mysterious user, and you say all these really wonderful things, but thank you. Thank you so much. I appreciate it. I saw your server written in C. Hey, Deep. Yep, that's right. We do C. Yep, my technology written in C and Rust. And Rust, you guys, and Rust. C++ is forever lang because it's everywhere and more potential than Java. RAM, yep, it's powerful. It's fast. You got it. I tried some vibe coding too. Hey, Chili. You got it, Chili Senpai. Vibe coding. It's the way of the future. Microservices, I'm curious. Yeah, probably somewhere. I don't know where. PHP I use. PHP is also very good. PHP is also very good. Yeah, so this is more Pytorch. Let's get into this. All right, so let's see here. So let's do a gradient. Let's do backwards. Stacked up back. All right. So we've got the stack. Oh, whoa, neat. Look at this. So when you do a stack, you can take a stack and run backward on all of them and then get the gradient across all of these. Let's try it. Let's try it, you guys. Let's try it. Oh, that sounds cool. All right, so we don't need that. Backward. Okay. All right, so we say print F. We'll say, what is it? First dot grad. Was that it? First dot grad? Yeah. Okay, first dot grad equals and thing. Syntax, we got syntax in there. Okay. And then we'll do second as well. See what that looks like. See here. Sorry. Yes, all in the tool you use. Any more, you get more spaghetti than there is in Italy. Yes, sure, true. You got to be careful. You got to be careful, you guys, because the AIs, they'll write code for you if you ask them. Hey, Micro. Wait, how's it? Is it Merc? Wait, how do you say your name? 1 second. Mercigon? How do we say? Hey, how's it going? I'm trying to say your name, and you remember. How do you pronounce this? Right here. Mercegaron. How's I'm trying to say your name there? Mercegaron. Thank you for being a member, for becoming a member. Thank you, and also welcome on in. Oh, you know what? Before we go, you guys. Hey, you know what? You know what we got to do? I do believe we can do some gift memberships, you guys. I think we got some gift memberships. Here we go. Close. All right. Send gift memberships. The gift memberships you will be publicly announced. Recipients. Okay, sounds good. All right, let's see. Can I scroll it up? Hey, there we go. I was just at the bottom. All right. So we're going to do some gift memberships today because we got them. They're ready to go. Member lottery time. Gamba. Yep, we're doing some Gamba. I tried to pronounce my name. I know, right? Olo Laddie. Oh, Laddie. Did I get it? No, I did not get that right. Hey, Vic. Good to see ya. Just found you. Hey, Death Star. Hey, Death Star Jedi. Thank you for hanging out with us. We're doing some Pytorch today by Neva. Are you kidding? That cannot be correct. There's no way that's correct. Ololade? Is that correct? Ololade? There's no way. No way that's correct. But you can call me short MG. Okay, MG. MG. All right, sounds good. Hey, Death Star Jedi, thank you for subscribing. Welcome on in. Good to have you here. We're gonna send out some memberships here. We're gonna do some memberships right here. A little bit of memberships. 2 times in a row. My first time seeing this. Hey, Tinny. Welcome on in, Tinny. It's good to see you. You swear, really? Ololade. All right, there we go. We're figuring things out. Oh man, missed most of the stream. Well, look forward to the next session. Hey, Keller, no worries. It's all recorded. The VOD is always available, and we're not done yet. There's more to go. I do have a 12 o'clock that I gotta get to. However, we got time. We're not over yet. All right, you guys, we're gonna send out the first 5 gifted memberships. You guys ready? You guys ready for the gifted memberships here? All right, here we go. Boom. All right, you also missed most. Hey, Savon, all good. We're gonna see if you guys get a membership. Who's there? Who got the memberships? Oh, received it. All right, there you go. We've got, who's this? Let me scroll in on this, you guys. Let's scroll in. Who got the gifted memberships? We got Vibic. Hey, also got Moped Mike. Thank you for subscribing. Oh wait, you didn't subscribe. You became a member. That's what that was. All right, you became a member. We also have Since Until. All right, Since Until. And Moped Mike and Dula. And Dula as well. Y'all became a member. Oh, no way. Tiny Rick, you got a membership. Check it out. Tiny Rick, you too. What do you know? All right, you guys. All right. Yes, me, please. Give me. All right, it's automatic. Hey, and Tiny Rick also got it. Tiny Rick, that's crazy. RUX, I cannot believe that you, and RUX and Torva. This is amazing. It's amazing. All right, we'll do more tomorrow. Damn, I missed. All right, well, you know what? There's no reason why we couldn't do more right now. Should we do more right now? All right, here, let's ask you guys. All right, let me do a poll. All right, gift 5 more memberships? Question mark? Yes or no? All right. Obviously, you guys are going to say yes. I don't see any reason why you wouldn't. However, or should we save them for later? That's what the poll is. Should we save them for later? Hey, Dylan, thank you for subscribing. Welcome on in. Good to have you here. Happy Tuesday. Sir, please see my programming language. Which one is that? Hey, Content Sire. Good to have you here. Welcome on in. Thank you for subscribing. How to claim, bro, the membership. It's automatic. There's no claiming required. It's random. Hey, hello, Stephen. How are you? We're doing good. Thank you for asking. Garimella. Thank you for asking, Garimella. It's your first time here. Brilliant. Hey, welcome on in, Brilliant. Good to see you. Happy to have you here. Building database in C. Ooh, there you go. Why not? Deep. You should do it. Why not? Exactly. Oh, everyone's saying yes. We're gonna have to do that. All right. So before we give out the next 5 gifted subs or the 5 gifted memberships, let's do a little bit more Pytorch. First. It's based on luck. All right. Yeah, you're right. It's based on luck. I hope I get the membership. Do we need a chat? Yes. It's based on, I do believe, right here. So you see here, this list of users right here. So you see on your order, it's usually anyone in this list. So that involves interacting with the stream, clicking the like button. Did you click the like button yet? Did you send a happy emoji, a smiley face in the chat? Did you guys do that? Are you clicking the heart icon to like the stream? Are you clicking the thumbs up button? That's how you do it. Yeah, there you go. Click the heart icons, you guys, right there. Exactly. That's how you do that. And then you get a chance to get a membership. Hey, a free membership. Gifted memberships, you guys. What are you working on your stream and schedule? Yeah, today we're doing Pytorch. We're doing more Pytorch. You can see kind of our terminal window wherever you're looking. Good to have you guys here. Thank you for the reactions. Good to have you here. I like the stream interaction. Nice. Thank you. That's good to hear. Nope. Wait, you got to click that one there. Here we go. It's bro is on that list. Yeah, you are. What is CUDA? CUDA is the framework for writing sort of computationally driven code to run in parallel on GPUs, specifically NVIDIA GPUs. Thank you for all the hearts reactions. Play it. That's so great. I see a little party poppers in the hundreds and all the floaty hearts. It's great to have you guys here today. The list is in the files. Yes, it's in the files. It is. Who are those memberships? Good question. Well, we're going to find out. We're going to find out. All right, so before we get the next one, we're going to do one more little jaunt here on Pytorch. We're going to do a little bit more jaunt on Pytorch. Did we get this right? Are we looking at the gradients? Did we print it out? Does it look right? Is this correct? Does it look good? Okay. So this is the back propagation, and it looks like this, apparently. Apparently, that's what... Oh, wait, we got to go second here. Second. There we go. Got to get that proper there. All right, here you go. First and second tensors. Right there, you guys. I see you scripting. What are you scripting? Hey, William. Good question. We're doing Pytorch. We are learning all the matrix manipulation functions and the tensors. Thank you for the hearts and reactions, you guys. Your sub language on Google, say my programming language. Oh, sir, search for... I don't know about that. I don't know about that. What is Pytorch? All right, so Pytorch is a library in Python which imports the underlying libtorch library written in C++. This library is specifically written with a whole bunch of algorithms and a workflow built in so you can create your own machine learning model, usually a deep learning model, which allows you to do computer vision, natural language processing, generative AI, right? So it generates pretty pictures or videos or text, right? ChatGPT style. You can do all those things. That's what Pytorch is. The song... This sounds pretty good. This is thank you to Torva. You'll check whether sub legit. All right. I don't know if it's not. We're going to find out. We might get a copyright strike. I don't know. Are there any machine learning projects on PubNub? Yes, there are. Yes, there are. I'm actually really excited. We're doing some pretty neat stuff. We're doing some pretty neat, exciting things, you guys. Steven, what is the element in the Pytorch that does the cross-differential partial derivative? What? Using the chain rule, I actually calculate the back propagation, aka teaching the network to adjust based on. That is a whole bunch of different words you said right there. Cross-differential partial derivative. I know what a regular derivative is. Why would you use a partial derivative? Use the full derivative. Don't use partial derivative. Using the chain rule to actually calculate the back propagation. So you can do that however you want. I'm not sure. You got to give me more details. The lost function? That's the most complex in the deep neural network. Is it the lost one? Oh, the loss. I'm pretty sure you meant the loss. Yes, the loss. So calculating the output, how far it's drifting. So then when you're doing back propagation and you're updating all the weights in your model, it knows how much to update it by based on the learning rate. Is PubNub open source? Deep? No, it's not. It is proprietary. All of our code is written in C and Rust. It is an IP that we own behind secure gates. We host it ourselves on AWS. It is proprietary, closed source, specifically built to operate distributed messaging for reliable communication. We do multiplayer games, sporting events, financing, a whole bunch of things, right? We got healthcare, all this stuff needs guaranteed reliable data delivery of messages going through end-to-end between devices, like mobile devices and things like that. So that's why it's proprietary. And although, you know what? It's not that proprietary because we've got patents on it. PubNub patent. Also, Google patent search. Check this out. Let's go to Google patent search right here. Type in, let's see, PubNub Stephen Blum. All right, there you go. Hey, look at those patents there, you guys. Look at those patents. So if you want to know about my patent, it's right here. So if you wanted to know, it's right here. It's kind of open source, but not really. The source code is closed. The patent is open, though. The patent's open. Why would you build your own model? Plenty of models going around, the different usages. Yeah, right, Vic, you make a really good point. It makes a graph, and then it does, what'd you say, Neva? It does a chain rule using it. Yep, got to keep everything in the graph. Loss functions are usually fairly straightforward. That's what I thought. I thought loss functions are, because I've written my own loss functions. They're pretty easy. Worst I saw was doing weird statistical distances. Basically, you cross entropy plus dom constant. Okay, that sounds fair. Hey, sir, I was happened to web scraper. Oh, web scraper? Solomon, we finished it. We finished the web scraper. It works perfectly fine. Hey, how's it going there, Barb? Bob, good to see you. How's it going? It still blows me away how you can jump back forth between keeping track of where you are in the code. Well, you know what? It's just over the years, we're making our way. All right, what we're going to do is we're going to gift out some more memberships. Before we do, though, let's keep on going. Let's look at this next section here. Breaking gradients. We're going to gift out 5 more memberships here in a little bit, like in maybe 5 minutes. Yeah. Thank you for, that's a really good compliment. Jumping back and forth between contexts. There you go. Music from YouTube library. I sure hope we'll find out. I'll let you know. It'll let me know if it was a copyright strike or not. It'll let me know. MG, can you explain a few words about this patent? Yeah. So it's a patent that describes a distributed messaging infrastructure in cloud environments for reliable, guaranteed message delivery between publishers and subscribers. Devices that are sending and receiving data. You do not need IP addresses. You only need to know about the channel. That is a patent. That's basically the core of the patent. And it describes how we do that. It's a method patent. So you can see, we've been busy. We've been busy. Do we hack Pentagon? No. I know, right? I read it, Alex. I read it. Torvalds. I read it too. Run it, sir, the scraper. We've done it before, Solomon. We did it. Let's see here. Real quick. All right. So CD / where are we at here? For web scraper. Where do we put it? Scrape. I don't remember where we put it. Where did we put it? I don't know where we put it. Maybe it's in CD basics, Python basics. There we go. Python basics, ls, CD vi web scrape. Here we go. So here's a web scraper right here. Here's a web scraper. So Python web scrape. And then we run it like this. Boom. Is it scraping? There it goes. It's scraping away. Look at that. There's the web scraper. Hey, it's working right now. Did you see? See, it's working right there. I told you it works. Run it, sir, the web scraper, Solomon. There you go. We ran it. Hello, sir. Are you amazing? Thank you. I follow your videos from some specific learnings. Awesome to everyone. Hey, thank you, Ernie. Thank you. That's really great feedback. I appreciate it. How long can you hold a patent before it expires? I don't remember. Let's see here. Let's see. Patent lifetime. How long does it last? 20 years. 20 years. It looks like the longest. So I got time. There's plenty of time. So about 20 years. That's all you get for your novel IP. You get 20 years. Is that what I asked? Paste it in Discord. I absolutely fell in love with partial differentials. Did you equations in college before I dropped out? Yeah, there you go. Is it with that little squiggly, that little wavy thing? Right? Is that wavy thing? Like, so if I draw here, so is it like something like some? Wait, that's way too thick. That's way too thick. How do we do this? Can we reduce the thickness? Here's what we'll do is we'll zoom out. Is it like this like wavy thing? I don't know how, I can't remember it. Some like little wavy thing there. I don't remember. Derivatives, partial differentials. Amazing work, perfectly. All right, you guys, we're gonna do. So those of you who are still here, we're gonna gift out 5 more memberships. You guys ready? Are you guys ready? Here we go. 5 more memberships on the way. Here we go. Who's gonna get them? I know, we're gonna find out in a second. Boom. All right, memberships dropped. Who got it? Hey, look at that, Olalade. Hey, Olalade got it. All right, unwritten. You got one. And then Lamos, you got one. And the Waha. The Waha got one. All right. And Sequence K. Hey, Sequence K. Look at that. Unwritten, you guys, unwritten. Wow, I'm not in the list. I don't know why. RUX 10,000. It's not fair, right? It's not fair. What's going on? USD's one down again. Exactly, right? Exactly. All right, you guys got 5 more memberships. Check that out. I know, Deep. I know how. Eyes for Gaming. We got Sequence K membership. All right, and we also got the Wahab. Another membership. Maybe I aren't on the list. Wait, let's find out. Let's find out. Eyes for you. You're number 3. You're number 3. Look right here. Right here, you're number 3. I don't know why. Maybe there's something more to it. Maybe there's more in the algorithm. I don't know. Not your lucky Dyke. Hey, I know, Kamal. I know. It's I don't know. I clicked the button and it's RNG. I can't control it. But it's great to have all you guys here. It's so great. All right. So we're going to keep on going with some more Python here. Let's close that window out. All right. Let's do some breaking gradients. Let's break some gradients. Let's break the gradients. Detach. We're going to detach it. Let's detach it. I don't know what that means. I've never used that before. All right. So Vim breaking gradients. All right. .py. There we go. YouTube don't play chess with me. I know, right? I understand it's a game of luck, so I do not regret on list. That's the way it works. Is wait, what IDE are we using? Hey, Willie, this is Vim. So you can see here, I got myself standard Vim, regular, ordinary Vim. Thank you for the hearts reactions, you guys, and the party poppers. Good to have you here today. Yep, you got it, Vim. Just, yep, Vim. Vanilla Vim. Vanilla Vim. Ordinary Vim. Old McDonald's from background, farm background music. All right, let's see what we got here. All right, so we'll try this out. So this is going to be, we save that, import torch, and then we're going to say tensor. We're going to do regular tensor. All right, so we'll say, oh, here's what we do. We'll say, who should we say here? Oh, wait, let's end the poll because we're done with the poll now. No, my membership ran out. Did it, Torva? No, I just realized I don't have a Vim emote anymore. No, oh no. Oh, that's terrible. Vim, how do we do that? Is it here? Vim, yeah. So there's the Vim emote right there. Button click. Vim emote. Oh no. Okay. So Steven, I fell in love with partial differential equations in college. I pasted in the Discord. Let's check it out. Let's check it out. Okay. Oh, we got some new folks on the Discord over here. Got some new folks on the Discord. Good to have you in. Did you post it under link share maybe? Or let's see here, link share. Oh, is this 3 blue 1 brown? Yeah, 3 blue 1 brown. Backward propagation calculus, very nice. And then is this it? Deep learning with chapter 4. Gotta go to the back propagation. The most challenging part, I would say, the deep learning. No Vim, no way. How to exit? Exactly. You get so ZZ, or you can say :Q or :QW to save it. Like that. That you can do that. Those are the things you can do. Okay, so let's go back over here. All right, let's do. All right, so we're gonna do a regular ordinary tensor. Okay, so source equals torch dot tensor array 1, 2, 3, like that. Requires grad equals true. Okay, let's spell this correctly. Source. Okay, what are we doing else here? Double. All right, we're gonna double it. Double equals source times 2. That sounds good to me. Deep. I feel web dev is kind of boring now. Is it? AI is way more fascinating, isn't it? I think AI is a lot more better. After spending 2 years in it, do you think I can get into AI ML even though I'm not that good at math? Yeah, absolutely. I did as well. I wasn't that good at math, and you just learn along the way. You learn along the way, you guys. It's not that challenging. All right, so let's see if that's going to work here. Python breaking gradient. All right, looks good. I spelled that file funny. Can anyone help me on land an AI intern? Ooh, you mean internship? That is, you just have to keep looking. You got to look around and you got to apply everywhere. Keep applying. Don't give up. Don't give up. So good to have you guys here. All right, we're not done yet. So I do have a 12 o'clock. Let me see here. 1 second. Right. 1 second. I'm looking at my calendar real quick. So good to have you guys here. I do have to get running in a little bit. Is that right? Yeah, that's it right here. This is tips and tricks. Well, we don't have to go immediately. You got a gifted membership. Yeah, you did. The Wahab, you did. You got a gifted membership. Crazy, right? I was not expecting it, but you did. I never thought that AI had to see a shrink before being released to the public. So yeah, we're in a whole new world. Moltbot, right? We got the Molt book. All right, so let's see here. Where are we at here? We're going to detach it. I've never done this before. I don't know what this means. So detached equals double dot detach. What does that do? I don't know what that does. Let's print it out though. Let's go print f detached equals. There we go. Is that it? Okay. Is that gonna work? Okay, so that's what detached looks like. I don't know why. So it doubled and then it detaches as tensor. What does it do before we detach it? Let's look at this. Let's try that. What does double look like? I'm just kind of curious. Okay. That is... Oh, okay, got it. So it only grabs just the straight tensor. So it ignores all the other stuff. So it eliminates the backward, the gradient, the back propagation. Red teaming was my lesson yesterday. Was it, Willie? Red teaming is a way to go. Red teaming is proactive, right? Proactive threat elimination, right? That's red team. I think, right? Did I get that right? What is red team? Red team in security. What is red team in security? Let's see what we got. Group of ethical hackers who simulate real-world attacks. Like it's proactive phishing, proactive social engineering against an organization's defense to find weaknesses. So in your own company or in your own team, you will proactively attempt to hack the system and figure out what's broken. Hey, Bob, good to see you. Welcome on in. Welcome on in. All right, let's close that. Bring this back over here. I do have an alarm going off. 1 second. I got to click a button here. And then we got to wrap up because I do have a meeting to get to here pretty soon. But it's red team equals the attacker, blue team equals defense. Ah, nice. Very nice. Let's see here. Is this interesting? Interesting. Okay, 1 second. I'm clicking the buttons. Getting all the things ready to go. All right, you guys, we do have to wrap up. I might not have time to get to the memes because reasons. Delete. Okay. All right, let's do a little bit more details on this. Let's jump over here. All right, so requires grad. Actually, this is interesting. I'm actually gonna care. So what's the detached? So it should be false, right? Print F. There you go. Hey, thank you for subscribing there, Nate. Thank you for subscribing, Nate. Good to have you here. Welcome on in. All right, detached dot requires grad equals. Let's close that out. That should be false. That should be false. All right. Here, I'm actually kind of curious. Here, we're gonna ask you guys. It should be false. That's my guess. This is my guess. However, we're gonna ask you guys. All right. Will this be true? True, or will this be false? What do you guys think the answer is going to be? We'll do a quick poll there. We'll do a quick poll. You follow me on Insta? Hey, Prod. Wait, sorry. See, scroll up there. Is it? Prod Bicor. Hey, Prod Bicor, you follow me on Insta? That's awesome. Hey, welcome on in. Good to have you here. It should say yes. It should say yes. Or is it false? Or is it true? I don't know. Detached requires grad. I don't know. I don't know. That's the mystery. That's the mystery, right? So you see up here, the source, it says true right here, right? So you see right here, it says true right here. I know, right? Right here. Exactly right there. It says true. However, we detached it. And when we saw earlier that the detachment, and I don't see any gradient. So is it going to be true or false? I know a lot of you guys are saying it's false. And you know what? I think you're right. I think you're right. I think it is false. The Wiz article legit regarding the Multbook API leaks. Oh, hey, I'm actually kind of curious. I want to look into Multbook. I'm going to look more into it. That's my plan for today. That's my plan for later today. Deep learning Pytorch, you can define layers, right? Yeah, exactly, Soki. Yep. How do you determine or set what the neural network actually is learning? It's based on the data that you give it. So you have to do an encoding step, which converts your input data into numbers between 0 and 1, or between -1 and +1 into an array. Then you do feed forward, or do an embedding of some sort, and then you feed forward that into your deep neural network. You get a final output, which is the model's answer, depending on how you define the model. Is it going to do classification? Are you doing binary classification across multiple classes? Are you doing a softmax? Like, what does your output look like? Then you run, your loss function to see how wrong the model was. You take that loss, and then you calculate gradients up chain, and then you slowly update the weights across all of your model. That's how that works. That's how, if I got that right. What's up, bro? How's it going there, noob? Noob investor, welcome on in. Good to see you. I'm actually setting OpenClaw with Vertex AI API. As we speak, Savant, you're doing something neat. You're doing something very neat there. All I know is I do, you calculate how many hours in a day, how many days in a week, and how many weeks in a month. Seth. Hey, Seth Weller. That's a good start. That's all the math you really need. Really, you don't need more math than that. You're good to go. According to the article, I defined a misconfigured Supabase database. Oh, it's exposed 1.5 million API keys. Did it? Are you serious? Uh-oh. Whoops. Are you serious? So Weller, 2 weeks of community college. You're doing good. You're on your way. Oh, Seth Weller. Seth Weller. Hey, Seth Weller. There you go. There you go, Seth Weller. You know, I'm looking at the clock and I do have a meeting that I got to get to, so I probably should get going. But I had a lot of fun. Let me see here. Oh, wow. There's just so many of you guys here. There's just so many of you here. Should I just miss the other? Because it's here's the meeting. All right, you guys want to know what the meeting is? It's a YouTube influencers meeting. Should I go? Or should I stay with you guys? Here, let's find out first. Sorry, so Python. Let's find out what the answer is. Hey, those of you did it. All right, so the poll, for those of you who got it right, it's false. The answer is false. You got it. The answer is false. You know it. Don't skip your meeting. You should go. But it's a YouTube influencer meeting. I don't know. Should I go? All right, so here's what we're going to do. Here's what we're going to do. We're going to ask you guys. Let's end the poll here. Say poll end. Okay. We're going to say, should we go to the meeting? All right, start poll. Should we end stream and I go to UT influencer meeting? Thank you for Seth Weller. Seth Weller, thank you for subscribing. All right, meeting. Spell it right. So you know what I'm saying. Yes or no? All right. That's the answer. That's the answer. All right. You guys are going to decide. You're going to decide. Are we staying here or is Steven going to end stream and go to the YouTuber influencer meeting? Is Steven going to end stream and go to the YouTuber influence meeting? That's it. Can we join the meeting? I know, right? It's they invited only so many people. I don't know if it would be kosher if I gave out the invite link. As a person who wrote the code, I feel like I'm basically cheating. Neva, you know it. Wait, Neva. Thank you. You're helping us a lot. Wait, in stream. All right. So most of you are saying no, right? Most of it's no. All right. We're going to skip the influencer meeting. We could skip, or we could go live and go to the influencer meeting at the same time. Right? What we could do? We could do that too. Should we end stream and I go to YouTube meeting? No is the answer. Not ending stream. All right. Is it? Let's see what. I don't know. It's right here, you guys. It's right here. You can see it. I don't know if you can see it very well, but that's the meeting right there. And that's the meeting. I don't know. No, don't go. 50-50. I know kosher is funny to be using in the real world. We should probably go. I know it's 50-50. It's like right down the middle, but you guys are voting on it. Yeah, no one would notice you were live streaming. We could just go. We could go and do this at the same time. Do the exact same time. Let's see here. I know it's just like there's so many of you guys here. I feel like I'd be letting it down for leaving. Steven, your view count is 10 times. Your view counts 10 times. What does that mean? What do you mean, Neva? Oh, my view. What you mean? My vote. Ah, my vote. I see what you're saying there. My vote. I see. Yeah. Tell him you wanted to start influencing. I know, right? Yeah. On YouTube. I know, right? On YouTube. Let me at least bump into the meeting there. Here, let me click on it real quick. This is the right one? Okay.
So this is going to be a really fun session. This is really a session for you guys that are within this movement to be able.
Okay. I probably should get going. Oh, wait. It was a lot of fun hanging out with you guys, so now you decide what's taken? Well, most of you say I should stay, though. Most of you say I should stay. What's your decision? I could do both. It's probably good to go. Yeah, like you said, it's going to be there. Yeah. It'll be fine. We'll be back tomorrow. I'm running late for the meeting, though. I'm running late. So it was so much fun to see you. I know most of you say I should go. I should go, bro. I should go. I know exactly. We'll be here later. Sounds good. All right. we're headed out. I had a lot of fun today. We didn't get to the memes. But you know what? Maybe we'll do that tomorrow. It would be good to get to this YouTuber influencer meeting. I'm happy you guys, just joined. It'd be fine. All right, sounds good. Peace, guys. Thank you so much. Yeah, I saw most of you. I know. If it was overwhelmingly yes, you should stay, I probably would. But you know what? It was kind of close to 50-50. It was kind of 60-40. But it was great to see you guys. It was close. Enjoy the meeting. Cool. See you guys tomorrow. Bye, everybody. See ya. Bye. See you tomorrow.